My name's David, and I am a customer of Chesapeake Electric. We had a wiring issue, outlets in the wrong places and multiple switches to different things, and I wanted it fixed. And I didn't know how to fix it. I just called them, right? I thought it was gonna be a couple days, and it was done in a day. And then when they left, they cleaned everything up as if they weren't even there. I can rely on Chesapeake Electric on a regular basis for anything. We actually have a new project coming up. We're gonna finish the basement. I called Chesapeake Electric and they brought their expertise. And they were able to present the solutions creatively, just things I didn't think about. We've had several technicians come in. They are all super polite and super friendly, and the product is always the same, which is very high quality. If you live in the DMV area and you're looking for fantastic electrical service, I'd call Chesapeake Electric.